Hey guys, welcome to Computer Conversation. In this video, I will be telling you some basic things about a computer and I hope everything will be clear to you. So, let's begin. First of all, let's see what is a computer. A computer is nothing but an electronic device that takes in input, carries out processing on that input and gives the output. So, the simplest workflow of a computer is input, then process, then output. Now, during processing, there are two operations that can be performed. One is arithmetic operation and the other is logical operation. Arithmetic operation involves addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, and logical operation involves checking of values. The below diagram shows how the different units of a computer, that is input unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit and the output units are interconnected with each other for complete operation. Now there are two types of memory under memory unit. One is primary memory, another is secondary memory. Primary memory is the memory inside the computer that is directly accessed by the CPU. Examples are RAM and ROM. These can be further classified, which I will discuss in the future videos. Now, secondary memory is the memory that is not directly accessed by the CPU. These are the memory external to the computer. Examples are hard disk, pen drive or flash drive, etc. Now let's see some characteristics of a computer. First one is speed. That is, a computer can do work really fast and only takes few seconds, which we take it for hours. Next is accuracy. That is, a computer can give almost accurate output. Next is consistency. That is, it can work consistently without getting tired or bored. Next is versatility. That is, they can perform completely different tasks at same time. And last but not the least is storage. That is, it can store huge amount of data. Now let us know what are the advantages of a computer. It can do same task repeatedly with same accuracy. It never gets tired or bored. It is used to store information. It can process large amount of data with accuracy. It can save your time by processing data very fast. It can also do multitasking. Now let us know what is booting. It is nothing but the process of starting of a computer. From powering on the CPU to the desktop that appears in front of you with icons on it, the whole process that happens is called booting. Now, the first program that runs when a computer boots up is the BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. A program is just a set of instructions that performs specific tasks. There are two types of booting. One is cold booting, the other is warm booting. Cold booting means starting of a computer when it is turned off, and warm booting means the restarting of it. Now let's move on to the classification of computers. On the basis of size, these can be classified as supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers and microcomputers like desktop or laptop. Of these, the supercomputer has the highest size. On the basis of how data is handled, these can be analog, digital and hybrid, that is mixture of analog and digital computers. On basis of functionality, these can be servers, workstations and embedded computers. Here are some images of computers. Now a complete computer includes hardware, software and some peripheral devices connected to it. Hardware of a computer means devices like monitor, CPU, motherboard, etc. And software is a set of instructions that enables a user to interact with the computer or the hardware parts. There are also different types of software, which are system software, application software and utility software. System software is a type of software that is designed to interact with the application softwares and the hardwares. Examples are operating system and device drivers. Now, an application software is a software which is used to perform specific tasks in a computer. Examples are MS Word, MS Paint, Notepad, PowerPoint, etc. And an utility software is a software that is used to analyze or optimize or configure, that is to maintain a computer. Examples are Quick Heal, Kaspersky, Avast, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified further.